Hey guys, it's Swift Plays here. I'm bringing you a pack opening video, and today I'm going to be doing the all rookie pack. Last time I did this, I got 93 Stefon Diggs, so I'm just going to go and open up the pack, and I'm going to do, right here, 93 Stefon Diggs, got him, probably going to end up selling him, but I'm going to do Avery DeBeast's method. Now, my team's going to go up. I'm covering up the card right now. Reveal all. It's going to be an update team. I know that. Hit update. Ooh. Updates both. Who did I get? Hey. What did I get? Okay. Hey guys, it's Swift Plays here. I did open up a pack, but then my recording got interrupted, and as you can see, got 92 middle linebacker Denzel Perryman. Now, I'm sorry that the whole interrupting got recorded, or the whole recording got interrupted, but, still haven't seen anything else about him. So, hopefully he's going up for a good bit, but I'm not going to freak out yet. Let's just see what he's worth. If he's worth over 100K, that's a good pull, in my opinion. Denzel, middle linebacker. Oh no, he's going for garbage. 92. See if he's going up for 70K. Oh no, he's going up for nothing. Oh, that sucks. Well, hope you guys enjoyed it either way, but, well, may as well just give you a good little look at my team. If I put in Stefon Diggs instead of Breshad Perriman, is one speed difference. The acceleration for Stefon's faster. I think I may just leave him in. Puts a 98 agility, I think I might have him in. But, yeah, other than that, here's just a look at my team. So, yeah. See you guys in the next episode.